Alright, so let's get into the details about this hair. So I received a 360-degree unit from Nadula Hair. I'm sure you have heard about them before. I received their 360-degree unit in Brazilian body wave and in the length of 22 inches. So I'm not sure about the density off the top of my head, but this wig is so thick, y'all, like thick with a Q. I'm pretty sure it's about 180% density, which is great. I love it. And what I really do like about this wig is that even though the density is higher, the hairline wasn't super thick and full, so it wasn't that hard to customize this wig to get it how I would like. So I really appreciate Nadula for doing that, and that's definitely a plus if you are a beginner and trying out their wigs. You don't want something that the hairline is super dense, but rather already pre-plucked so that you can hook it up and make it look good. So I've filmed myself customizing a hairline many times before, so you can check out my previous videos to see that in detail. But right now I'm just hot combing the hairline. As you can see, I decided to go ahead with a side part because I was kind of over the middle parts, and honestly side parts just got my heart, you know what I'm saying? Especially when done right, when you cut the lace correctly, it just works so well. So I just wanted to show you guys. So I honestly did not do all of this plucking. Most of this plucking is how Nadula sent the wig to me. So if you're looking for a unit that's for real pre-plucked, oh gosh, say that 10 times fast, then you should check out Nadula Hair. So yeah guys, look at that. That looks great. And then I ended up putting some foundation on the lace. Y'all know how I do. And yeah y'all, so you don't have to put too much work into getting this wig to look good, and that's always a plus. Alright, so as you can see, this is how the unit and the lace looks after I installed it. So I did install this wig previously before, and I used my favorite ORS, the grip gel and the super hold spray to install it. And as you can see, it did leave some residue behind, but have no fear. Get you a sock that doesn't have a partner and 70% rubbing alcohol. It's imperative that you do 70% because higher than this will dry out your lace and make it really hard, and lower than this will not take off the adhesive, will not take off that residue. So you're gonna get your sock, put on your hand, and then you're gonna dampen, not even dampen, but soak the sock, and then you're just gonna go ahead and kind of scrub, but not too hard against the lace. So what this is gonna do, it's gonna pick up that adhesive, it's gonna get it off, and it even you can even get some of what, like little bits and pieces that get left in the hair and the roots, that gets it off too. And I did speed up this video, but as you can see, it didn't take too much for me to take it off, you know? You just soak your sock and do a little scrub-a-dub-dub, and your lace will be flawlessly clean. You don't ever have to worry about, oh my gosh, there's glue on my lace, I don't feel like installing it today. No. This will make your morning routine faster if you do it the night before, so you can just install it in the morning and you are fresh and good to go. Ever since I discovered this, I do not stress about cleaning my lace anymore, like, you know. So yeah y'all, so easy. And I did go ahead and co-wash this unit after, and yeah, flawless. Look how clean that lace is. now I'm going to reinstall the unit the same way I did when it had all the excess lace on it. So now you're just going to do it the same way, and I'm going to use my trusty ORS grip gel and super hold spray. I do have a video of me doing this in detail as well, so you can check out. I'll make sure to link it down in the description box. But it's super simple, and I really like using this adhesive because it never fails me. You cannot go wrong. So yeah, you guys, it's super simple, super easy, and especially when your lace is super clean, you have nothing to worry about. So yeah, y'all, that is about it. And then I did end up putting some curls in this hair, and that's it, y'all. Not too crazy. Alright everybody, this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Of course, more details will be down in the description box, so please go and check that out. Make sure you check out Nadula Hair for this bomb wig so you can slay as well. And my lip gloss is the Cafe Gloss by my brand Z Minx, so check it out, and I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. See ya.